the beginning of the year, we always go over basic safety and sanitation, and we also go over basic equipment and go over that thoroughly just to refresh everybody's memory, and so there's no questions about how to use something or how to proceed with a recipe.
A lot of different stuff, and it's a lot of fun. They get to come in and they donate some of their stuff, they take some of it home. There's a lot of variety in what they do, and they're very autonomous and get to do a lot of things their own, so it's a lot of fun.
Or we just text in our group chat and we figure out what we're going to be baking, where we're going to donate to, because we donate to fire stations and police stations after our meetings.
Our baking club pairs up with the Animal Rescue Club. Also, Best Buddies has approached me in pairing up to do things as well. Hope to do that we pair up with other clubs to make it more enjoyable and meaningful for both clubs.
Really lackadaisy. We meet once a month. It's just fun. I mean, baking is my stress reliever, so I like to come and do this.
I would love for you to pay attention next year to the announcements for the call-out meeting for Baking Club. I encourage you to come. It's a really fun time to be with your friends after school.
For HSETV, this has been Haley and Dimitri.